Hello friends, let's learn ratio and proportion trick part A. We will solve some examples using the trick. If 2 upon A colon 5 upon B colon 3 colon C 3 upon C, then A colon B colon C is equal to what is? So answer is A colon B colon C is equal to 2 upon A. So A is equal to 2. 5 upon B. So B is equal to 5. 3 upon C. So C is equal to 3. So answer is A colon B colon C is equal to 2 upon 2 colon 5 colon 3. It's so easy. We will solve some second examples. If 3 upon A colon 5 upon B colon 9 upon C is, then A colon B colon C is equal to what is? Answer is A colon B colon C is equal to A is equal to 3. B is equal to what is 5. C is equal to 9. So answer is A colon B colon C is equal to 3 colon 5 colon 9. Like, share and subscribe if you like.